Did you know there are some eggheads that have been using the same Big Green Egg for over 20 years? Well, today I'm going to show you some new enhancements that make using your Big Green Egg even easier and more enjoyable. So today we're going to take you from top to bottom on the egg and demonstrate some of the latest innovations available at Outdoor Home. First on the list has to be the Regulator Vent Cap. This successor to the dual function metal top features a pre-seasoned surface that keeps your ventilation from shifting when you open and close your egg. An insulated adjustment tab protects your fingertips at higher cooking temperatures, and you can even add the perfectly matched rain cap and prevent snow and rain from entering your top. No more having to do a sun dance to make sure the rain doesn't ruin your next barbecue. You can plan your next cookout regardless of the weather because the regulator and rain cap have got you covered. Often when you're cooking on your egg, you need a place to set down your tools and ingredients. Well, now we have two new solutions for that very situation. First up are the 21-inch Acacia wood egg mates. These provide a heat-resistant, sturdy workspace while cooking on your egg. A thin layer of oil protects the acacia wood, and when you're not using your egg, the acacia mates simply fold down to save even more space. Another solution comes in the Nest utility rack. Maybe you're changing out your stainless steel cooking grid for cast iron, or you simply want somewhere to store your convector that isn't in the dirt. The Nest utility rack keeps all your convectors, baking stones, and cooking surfaces off the ground and right where you need them. And finally, the all-new expander. This customizable system gives you a variety of cooking setups so you can utilize the full versatility of your egg. The 5-piece setup includes a convector basket for easily transporting a hot convector in and out of your egg, a 2-piece multi-level rack for additional elevated cook space, or you can flip the rack and cook your next ribeye cowboy style. And finally, 2 half-moon cooking grids. These half-moon grids are designed to be interchangeable with other expander pieces such as half-moon baking stones, perforated cooking baskets, and cast iron surfaces, allowing you to cook multiple ways at the same time. With over 40 different cooking combinations, the expander system helps you execute the perfect meal for any situation. So whether you've been cooking on your egg for a long time or looking forward to cooking on an egg for the first time, do yourself a favor and come talk to the experts. We're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road, Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.